GR Auto Gallery, and I have the pleasure of bringing you guys this 1994 Ford F150, fully restored. It's a beautiful truck. In my mind, this is the one to restore. It is the single cab, short bed, F150 4x4 with the 302, the famous Ford 302. We're just gonna take it for a quick test drive here, see how she goes down the road, run, stops, all that fun stuff. So, drives down the road great, accelerates great. Does have a little bit bigger tires, some aftermarket suspension, a small lift. You have a little bit of play in the wheel just from that classic lift on some of these older trucks. But really it tracks very straight. Brakes feel really good. See how she does in this turn here. Don't hear or feel any rubbing from the larger tires at all. Like I said, this truck was fully restored. The paint is absolutely beautiful on it. I believe it's a stock color. I believe it's lapis blue. But everything, nothing skipped on this truck. All the chrome looks great. New headlights, which are notorious for these for fogging up. But overall, just a very, very solid truck. Interior is in immaculate condition. Got the AC on right now. It doesn't feel like it's getting too cold. But the controls and everything work great. So yeah, just overall a very, very beautiful truck. Solid truck for anyone to come up here and pick up and purchase.